And I keep waiting for him to choose me. Prioritize me, really, you know? Before I'm already walking away. And not with flowers.
Got caught up in traffic.
Yeah, no worries. You're only 5 minutes late.
Not with flowers. Not with words, but with action. With presence. You say you love me like it's a habit, but I haven't felt it in weeks. Hell, it's been months at this point. But yet I still play the girlfriend role. Asking what you want for dinner like it even matters. When you can't even tell that I've been starving for attention.
So you feel like you're starving for attention?
Yeah.
That's deep, Morgan. Trent, what do you think about what she said?
You say I don't see you, but I've memorized the way you breathe when you are tired of pretending. You think I don't love you? Honestly, I'm just scared that love won't be enough. Scared that I'll mess things up just like everything else I touch. And I know I don't always say the right things, but I've stayed, Morgan. Even when it was hard. Even when I constantly tried, yet you kept your guard up. I mean, shit, that gotta count for something, right?
I hate that we woke up like this. Not mad, not in love, just in between. You used to hold me before you held your phone. Now your silence has its own ringtone. I spoke to the ceiling more than I spoke to you. And when you finally turned around, you still never saw through.
Listen, man. You lay beside me like a ghost of someone I used to know. And yeah, we sleep skin to skin, but your mind moved out months ago. I scroll because I don't know what to say anymore. Every word I say feels like throwing imaginary gasoline. I want to hold you, but I'm scared you'll pull away. I don't know, it's like you don't feel a thing or don't want me to stay. I don't know how to feel anymore, man. This is all just getting a little too real for me.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice. Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
I'm leaving this here because I know I won't get through to you in person. Clearly, Trent. I told the group chat everything. Every fight, every time that I felt invisible, every time that you said, I'm fine, even when I wasn't. They know me better than you do now. And it scares me. I used to run to you with my heart in my hand, and now I text the group chat instead. You say one thing, but really mean what's unsaid.
Morgan, I play your voice like a song I don't know the lyrics to anymore. And I hate that your best friend hears you cry more than I do. I didn't mean to make you feel alone. I just didn't know how to be soft when the pressures of the world felt like too much. And for that, I'm sorry, Morgan. Maybe you needed more and I gave you the cold shoulder. Or maybe I never learned to be what you needed when I was still trying to figure out how to be a man for myself. Baby girl, I knew you lied before I knew your name. I even memorized the way your voice cracked when you were about to cry. Yet, I still didn't change. I admit, I didn't grow with you, and maybe I just couldn't. But don't say I didn't love you. I loved you and I still do. But you knew how I grew up. How can I give you love that I've never seen? Shit, hell, I struggle with what real love even means.
Nigga, you don't know me. Not the version that has evolved. The version that outgrew that simple routine and your distant attention. You love the girl who bent over backwards to fit the mold that you wanted. But the woman I'm becoming, yeah, she's not asking for permission, Trenton. You fell in love with a version of me that didn't exist outside of your comfort zone. And now you feel away because I chose to grow. Out of your comfort, and now out of your show. Move, Trenton. I'm going out. If you're listening to this, don't. And not because I'm angry, but because if you were ever going to hear me, it would have been while I was still trying. I stayed longer than I should have. I kept hoping for the version of you that I saw in glimpses, but glimpses aren't love. They're just proof that people have potential, not that they'll ever truly live in it. I forgive you, and that's how I'm walking away. I'm not leaving with slamming doors or me screaming. I'm leaving with my bags packed and my voice intact. You were a chapter, but I'm not writing in pencil anymore.